is Random Beauty Support Group. There's a group of us ladies. Every month, a random word is drawn and given to the designated person for that month, who this month is me. And you have to use that word for some kind of inspiration for a makeup look. I, believe it or not, I did not draw the name, so somebody else draws it. So it's not like I could not possibly, but the word I got was pink. Are you serious? I prayed on that, let me tell you what, because I was like, please God, don't let me get a stupid word. Let me get a good word. Let me get something I can work with. I can work with pink. I can work with pink. So, here's my idea. It is my birthday month. As a matter of fact, these videos will actually go up on my birthday, which is October 30th. But my whole idea was, let's do a Halloween look, which Halloween doesn't have to be scary. I remember dressing up as a princess for Halloween, so Halloween doesn't have to be a scary look. But let's do a Halloween look with pink incorporated into it. So, yeah. I'm really excited to see what the girls came up with. Make sure you check out the playlist below. Watch them all. And, you know, seriously, subscribe, because we do fun stuff. Subscribe to the other girls, you know, if you're interested in what they're doing. Hit that like button, because leaving any kind of a comment, even just an emoji, and hitting the like button really helps my channel. And as you can tell, I'm a pretty puny little channel, so come on, help me get out there. Hang tight, we'll be right back. I'll show you all the stars. I'm all for you. Give you $1 million. Unfortunately, I lost some of my lighting, so that needs to charge up, but that's okay. I'm gonna use some gold liquid eyeshadow for the gold part. Got my spatula, got a brush, got a sponge, and I have my plate for mixing, and my red, white, and black. This is going to be a lot of off and on, otherwise it'll be like an hour. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I'm praying that this works, First thing I'm going to do is mix some white and some red and try to make, like, it's probably not going to be this pretty of a pink, but you know, not a pale pink. And then I'm going to do my whole forehead and brows and some of that area probably to here. I tried to make a line where I went, you know, foundation down here. And yeah. So the next time you see me, hopefully my forehead will be pink. Oh, this is all kinds of fun. So I don't know, I thought that turned out, these are a little orangey looking, won't put next to the pink, but, and then I thought, because, you know, pink, I'm going to go ahead and like blush it out a little bit and just sort of, you know, go ahead and bring the pink down on the rest of my face, because why not? Okay, it's Halloween, I love pink, the word is pink, and yes, after this is done, I will be taking a shower, washing my hair thoroughly. So far, like the brows, I can't. I can't. I tried to make them disappear and they won't. And I'm not going to like shave my brows off or something like that, you know, for this. So we'll just pretend that the brows are pink. Okay, so I think next, let's do maybe the beak. I'll be right back. Okay, so does it look like a beak? A little bit? Now you all know why I don't do eyeliner, because it's never the same. And it would help, number one, if the skin would actually stay still instead of moving around while I'm trying to do this. Number two, this would be 20,000 times easier to do on another person. Like trying to do this on yourself, it's not that easy. My initial thought for the gold was maybe just a little up here, but y'all know me, I get carried away. So the gold, I think that'll work. I hope it stays opaque, and yeah, we'll see. I'll be right back. What do you think so far? Let me know. Comment below. How do you feel about this? Okay, I don't know. Does it look like a beak? This is supposed to be, you know, the gold is the little fleshy part that comes up off the top of the beak. Now we're going to add some feathers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pink that I have, maybe add a little bit of more white to that, and use some white, and I'm just going to use my brush to just kind of like make streaks, and you know, sideways, and hopefully this will work. I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is my finished. These are supposed to look like feathers. What do you think? Halloween Flamingo. I actually used some loose powder, loose pigment, and put some gold and some pink streaks through. You can kind of see those. And then on my cheeks, you see all that gold on there. I added some Too Faced highlighter, and I just, whoa, and really went in, so it's like gold and pink. Putting everything down. So what do you think? I am really, I think I'm happy with how this turned out. I wasn't sure, never done this before. I did get some inspiration from YouTube and Pinterest. I feel like I should have one leg up. So let me know what you think. Comment below. Do you enjoy Halloween? Do you enjoy dressing up for Halloween? Do you like doing scary things? Or are you more apt to just do fun stuff? Thanks so much for checking me out, watching. When these videos go up on the 30th is my birthday, so I'm feeling really blessed that I got my birthday month. It's going up on my birthday. Pink is my shade, and I was able to do Flamingo. I love you all. Stay safe on Halloween. And until the next time, I hope you wake up dancing. Wake up dancing. Wake up dancing. Every single day. God bless you and goodbye.